I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to dispute a charge on Ally Online, follow these straightforward steps to get it resolved. Step 1. Log into your Ally account. Visit the Ally website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using the correct username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Activity. Once logged in, go to the Account Activity section to view your recent transactions. This is where you can find the charge you want to dispute. Step 3. Select the charge to dispute. Locate the specific charge you wish to dispute and click on it for more details. This will allow you to see additional information about the transaction. Step 4. Initiate the dispute process. Look for an option that says Dispute Charge or Report Issue. Click on it to start the dispute process. Be prepared to provide details about why you are disputing the charge. Step 5. Submit your dispute. Fill out the required fields in the dispute form and submit it. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy to avoid delays. Remember, if you accidentally dispute a charge that you meant to keep, you might have to go through a reversal process, which can take extra time. Good luck with your dispute, and I hope this guide helps you resolve your issue quickly.